Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to clear Google Play Store cache on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to clear cache of your Google Play Store app, we'll be required to open the settings of the app and not the Google Play Store itself. And after opening your settings, guys, on this interface, scroll down until you can find the apps option over here. Tap on apps and tap on the app management at the top of the screen. And over here scroll down and you can search for Play Store, or you can just type it in at the top of the screen. Whichever you do, it's the same. And after locating your Google Play Store over here, guys, tap on the Google Play Store and you land on this interface where you can see the storage usage option at the bottom of the screen, or over here just below the data usage. Tap on storage usage over here and we can see the cache option is available for us. At the bottom of this list, tap on clear cache and the cache occupied by a Google Play Store on your phone will be cleared out. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear cache on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.